All right, this is another one of these. All right, I'm not sure exactly what it's for, but I guess it's supposed to show that the printer works properly. And this one was done in PLA. All right, Blackfleet PLA. And I'm doing another one of the same model in TPU. So basically, let's see if we can focus here. Okay, so this is being done currently now in TPU. So it's on about, I don't know, about the third layer roughly. And you can see there's no warping, no curling, no Elmer's glue or anything like that. Basically, this is a non-sticky bed. This is not sticky at all. You can see the standard basic print head right here. Not direct drive. It's not needed. Direct drive is not required to print PLA because, or to print TPU because it's doing it right now. And my extruder is the original plastic extruder. This is the original extruder. It's been on this machine for 6.5 years, printing every day without issue. This is not the metal one, which you have to dick with all the time. This is the plastic one that you never have to mess with, okay? Because it does what it's supposed to do anyway. That lever, if it ever breaks or cracks or whatever, it's like $3, 5 minutes, and replace it. All right, E-steps stay the same, 93, factory 93, no calibration needed. Basically, just switch it out and print. And again, this body of this extruder has been on this machine 6.5 years, printing every day. All right, so basically this is TPU right now, going through this extruder right now. And basically, it still has the retraction still set at normal settings. All right, so it's amazing, but yes, it can print. TPU. This is the white Bowden tube. The blue Bowden tube has a smaller inside diameter, which causes friction. You don't want that because essentially, if there's friction here, you're going to have problems here. All right, you go down here to the hot end. This is the hot end right here. This is the print head that does all the work. All right, so the X is here. Okay, the Y is the table, and the Z is the gantry, up and down. So this right here is the workhorse axis of the entire printer. All right, so X and Y draw the picture. All right, Z just happens when each level goes up 1 notch. So this is as simple as 3D printing gets. It's a flat surface, flat, 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 flat everywhere, corner to corner, side to side, front to back. It's flat. As long as this bed is flat, then you don't need the electronic gizmo because there's nothing to compensate for. You've already set the height, all right, by tramming, so you know the height is correct, and you know that the nozzle, the rail right here is correct, level to the printer. Okay, so as long as the gantry is level to the printer, then X is constant, right? Y is back and forth, and you adjust the Y by adjusting the knobs, all right, for level. That's called tramming. So basically, if you tram the bed properly, you have everything set up the way the factory said it should be set up, is the way it's been designed. It has to print. It has no choice. All right? It's a non-heated bed. You can see that for yourself. You don't need heat. This is a set point for the bed, 0. All right? So the bed is non-heated. The springs are stock. These are standard stock springs, not yellow ones, not chunks of rubber, not bolts. This is how the printer was set up day one, 6.5 years ago. It's still using the same parts that came in the box. All right. So again, original extruder, no direct drive, doesn't need it, it's not required. When you set it up this way, this prints, it's printing now. All right. So we're just going to let this go. This again is TPU rubber, TPU filament. It's the elastic filament. There's nothing about this printer that has to be set up to print, because it's printing right now. With the original plastic extruder, it pulls and pushes rubber TPU just like PLA. Alright, so there you go. That's as easy as it gets. That's as simple as it gets. Alright, and including retraction. Anyway, happy printing. Did I mention the E-steps are still at 93, factory 93? Okay, this printer has been assembled to print, and it's doing just that.